What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And welcome back for another Nike outlet, Nike factory store finds, wherein I'm going to the outlet and look around what we could do for something to invest, and hoping we could find something really good to invest in. And it's been a while we've been here in this outlet, so I hope there should be a good one. Actually, it's been like a week that I've been here, and seems like nothing having changes, unlike this one. Also, we got this Epic React Flyknit. Oh, look at that one, $74.97 with the additional 30% off. Well, not bad for the running shoes. How about this $54.97 with additional 30, and the Odyssey React Flyknit? The color is not bad though, and the price and the quality is not bad also. And how about the Nike Zoom Windflow 6? Not bad for the price also. Good running shoes, $54.97 with the additional 30%. This comes with the Zoom shoes or midsole. And how about this one? How about the ACG React Terra Gobe? $49.97 additional 30. Now we are talking. This one, I'm taking this one. So I'll be picking some different sizes, probably not more than different size, like focusing on what size, like 9.5. All right. Ooh, this Lebron still here, $79.97 with additional 30%. This one, they had this one week ago, and I already featured this one in the first blog, and they're still sitting here. I pick up few sizes way back, like 11, but now I'm probably picking up another size 9.5 or 10.5, but I'll be focusing on those sizes. What do you think? Would you cap them? How about Nike Air Max 720 Waves? This one, $79.97 with additional 30%. The quality is good, but no one's buying this one. I don't know what's wrong, but the price, I would cap them for personal pair. Well, should I react on this Jordan 1 React? 119. Wow, this is ugly. Jordan 1 React. What they are thinking, I don't know. I wish they could be like much better, but 119, pass for now. Alright, same shoes last week, $59.97 with the additional 30% off. Got this one, some different colorway, but this red I will pass. Okay, let's go on the Hashwall or Killian Swore. We got also 30% on this one. How about this Lebron? Nice color on this Lebron, right? Well, it's size 8, and they are still in retail with additional 30 though. Alright, now $59.97 and this React again. Wow. Element 55 React. $59.97 with the 30. What do you think? Same Jordan 1 for women's. Okay, $49.97 with additional 30. Same one what we got, we found last week. Same with this burgundy color. Pass. And wow, now I'm surprised with this $79.97 with this Kyrie, with additional 30%. It looked like was those Krusty Krab colorway. I'm not sure, but I'll be picking up this one. A bigger sizes, so I'm gonna get one. Okay, toddler shoes. Well, let's look around what we could find. Not bad on those. Most of them have 30%. And yes, getting this one, $44.97 with additional 30%. This Jordan 6. So what do you think? So this is what we picked up on the Nike factory store, Nike outlet store. Not much, but that's all what we can get. So I went in and get more of this Lebron Super Braun. So I pick up those sizes that are gonna be out of stock when I bought them. So last week I bought this 11 and a half, so I bought all the 11 and a half. Now I did bought this size 13, grab also the size, most of the sizes 10 and a half, and also the last pair of 9 and a half. So the trick, what I'm trying to do is, even though I cannot buy like 10 pair in one transaction, try to buy something that it will take out the competition of the sizes. So even though other reseller might gonna buy, then they not getting the size 10 and a half, because I already got all the size 10 and a half and also got all the size last pair of 13 and the last pair of size 9 and a half. So I left behind some size 10, 9, and some 11 and some 12. So I did get also the 11 and a half. So as you can see, if you've seen the video last outlet find, so here you go. The patent leather is not bad on this one. I really like it. So get me one of the 10 and a half just in case, then I might gonna keep it. My thought on this Lebron is good, doing good on doing right now. So I'm gonna hold them for a while, maybe a year or so. You'll never know. So that's why I'm trying to hold and invest on this one, because it is really cheap, $55, and the retail is $200. So why would I not? Because I did also invested some Lebron way back, and the market used to be like low, but then I wait out and then I made a profit holding them for more than like 11 months and almost a year. So that's my take on that one. All right, so if you've seen the video on the outlet, so pick up the same method that I did on the Lebron, same method on the Kyrie's. I pick up all the size 6 and a half and all the size 5 and a half, and leave behind size 5, size 6, size 4. So this is the method that I'm doing right now because of limit of buying 5 pair. Usually 10 pair, I could buy 10 pair in one transaction, but now there's a limit. So try to find a new method that's gonna be more comfortable for me, and eliminating the competition. So here you go. It looks like a Krusty Krab colorway. What do you think? And this Kyrie 6, not bad though. Picking up the good sizes that I think. Also did the comps, which one is good for resale and hold for resale. All right, another good one right there, and that's Kyrie. And this one, so I did separate transaction because there is 10 of this, and I got a family member with me, so I have to split the transaction. This one had to split transaction and also including the 6. But let's talk about this one. ACG React Terra Agave Deep Jungle Black Wolf Gray. Retail is $150 and it was $59.97 with additional 30%. So I would say I'm gonna do a quick flip on this one. This one is really good for any condition gear. It says all condition gear, good for a trail running shoes. So it is summer right now, and it's still good for intended for trail or something like that, especially this rugged kind of sole, and it's very thick rather than those tiny ones that I have. But this one is not bad for the price and for the quality. I would say I think maybe do a quick flip and sold this one before the end of summer, and I'm thinking it's also good for some kind of cold weather or rainy season because of the quality of the top, because it's kind of water resistant, as it says all condition gear. Correct me if I'm wrong, but $59.97 with additional 30%, not bad for the quick flip investment. Alrighty, and the last separate transaction, this is the only size that they have on the store, so pick up 9, and it's the only 9 pair in the store, so have to I had, that's why I told you that I have to split with the transaction on that one with this one. So on the other store, in the Nike factory store, pick up also most of the sizes. And this is the Jordan 6 Retro Toddler, and I would say I'm just gonna double my money on this one, hold them for a while, cause you never know. This one is not bad for the colorway of the Jordan 6. So $44.97 with additional 37, not bad for investment. It's gonna be hold, not a quick flip. It's going to be hold, at least doubling my money on this one. I would list this one for $99, and then including the buyer pay for the shipping. Okay, so that would be all on this video. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something new on this Nike outlet find Nike factory store finds sneaker invest episode. And that would be all. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. Please leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And that will be all. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-iingat po kayo. Bye-bye.